Fortraiture here. Today we're going to be unboxing something very, very special. Cue the beat. Feels good, smells good, is good. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Why on earth did I buy it? Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But one thing I have to go over is justification for why I invested in this. Is it worth it? Is it worth the investment? Well, there's a few criteria you got to cover in order to justify why on earth you would invest in such an expensive gadget. Reliability, durability, ease of use, cost effectiveness, cost efficiency, and ROI. ROI. Return on investment. But without further ado, let us go and unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Alright, I have a surprise today before we proceed into the unboxing. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away iPhone 10s to 3 lucky winners. So I'll be giving away not 1, not 2, but 3 iPhone 10s to lucky winners. The criteria is going to be simple. Subscribe to my channel and be engaging. Leave comments, leave likes, and I'll select from there. But we're not going to be talking about that today. Let's move forward to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. What is the big fuss all about? Unboxing. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is powered by an A13 Bionic chip, which is a 3rd generation neural engine. So in this camera section box, we have a triple 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a telephoto camera. The ultra-wide camera uses a 2.4 aperture and has a 120-degree field of view. That's ultra-wide. The second camera uses a wide lens with a 1.8 aperture, which is best for low-light performances. The third and final camera is a telephoto lens, which uses a 2.0 aperture. One of the reasons why I bought this phone is its ultimate capability of shooting 4K footages at 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. In addition to that, there's also the slow motion aspect for the cinematic B-rolls, which can shoot up to 120 and wait for it, 240 frames per second, but at 1080p, which is acceptable. I mean, it's not the greatest. If it could shoot all that in 4K, that'll be a game changer. But it does push it up to 1080 at 120 and 240 frames per second. The most unique aspect about this phone is that it has the rounded curved corners design, which will take a lot of getting used to, especially because we're so used to 4 sharp edged corner when watching videos. Lastly, on top of the Face ID, it has a barometer, 3-axis gyroscope, accelerometer,
proximity sensors, and ambient light sensors as well. Finally, Apple has upped its game this time, giving us an 18-watt USB fast charger and a USB-C to Lightning cable in the box. Apple finally says that the new charger and cable will allow the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max to reach up to 50% charge within 30 minutes. This can be a lifesaver, especially if you're waiting around in transit at the airport. This is definitely a good investment for example, a YouTuber, cinematographer, filmmaker, because you can always have a tool in your pocket whenever you go, wherever you go, in case you want to pull out a camera and shoot acceptable quality video and photos. On that note, I think we are done with this unboxing. Hit that like button if you like the video, smash that subscribe button if you aren't already, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.
Feels good, smells good. It is. Oh! I just dropped it. I just got it. Oh man, I've never dropped a phone in my life, from first generation iPhone, iPhone 3, iPhone 4, iPhone whatever, 5, 5S, 6. I've never dropped an iPhone 7, 8, iPhone 10. Now, I haven't even started unboxing and I've already dropped it.